7 proven steps to achieve financial independence and retire early. What does your ideal life look like? Think beyond limitations. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock and pursuing passions on your terms. Financial independence makes this dream possible, and the FIRE movement is here to guide you. Are you ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Before anything else, get clear on your purpose. Why do you want to achieve financial independence? For some, it's freedom to travel. For others, it's spending quality time with loved ones. This why will fuel your journey and keep you motivated through challenges. It's time to track every dollar. Look at your spending habits. Are they bringing you closer to financial freedom? Cut out what doesn't serve you and redirect those funds towards savings and investments. Small changes in your budget today can create tremendous opportunities in the future. A meaningful budget isn't about deprivation, it's about control. Allocate funds for essentials, emergencies, and financial goals. By telling your money where to go, you'll maximize your cash flow while still leaving room for joy. Remember, budgeting is a tool for empowerment, not restriction. Saving is your superpower. Financial independence requires a higher than average savings rate, often 50% or more of your income. Start by saving a little extra each month and build from there. Automating your savings can make this process seamless and stress-free, keeping you on track for success. Saving alone isn't enough. You need your money to grow. Start investing in low-cost index funds, ETFs, or other diversified options. These allow your wealth to compound over time. Even small, consistent investments can snowball into substantial amounts through the magic of compound interest. Relying on one income stream may not get you to FIRE. Side hustles, freelance gigs, or creating passive income sources, such as rental properties or online businesses, can accelerate your journey. Diversify your earnings for greater stability and faster financial independence. Set clear milestones to measure your financial progress. Stay flexible and refine your plans as you grow. Celebrate your small wins. They're stepping stones to big victories. Remember, financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and persistence will get you there. Success starts in your mind. Stay disciplined, even when sacrifices feel tough. Surround yourself with inspiring stories and supportive communities. The journey to FIRE isn't always easy, but the rewards, freedom, choice, and peace of mind, are well worth it. Your financial freedom starts now. Define your goals, trim unnecessary expenses, and take your first step toward investing. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see results. Don't wait for the right time. The best time to invest in your future is today, because your future self is counting on you. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too. If you enjoyed this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world. Thank you for watching,